Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, it is currently Tuesday, November 18th, and I just got something in the mail. The mini conspiracy palette, the mini controversy palette just came in, and I'm so excited. I'm still waiting for the big, the conspiracy palette, but that I was lucky enough to get that during pre-order, so that should be coming later on. So the next time you see me after this unboxing will be like a couple weeks later, but I wanted to start using it, and I'm like, I gotta film my unboxing before I can do that, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm super excited. Oh my god, I'm just so proud of Shane, you know, like so excited. Mills, can you be any more loud? Okay, so I could probably grab a pair of scissors, but I don't want to, so I'm just using a card. Oh my goodness. I'm like, I just got back from a field trip with Avery, which you will be seeing actually tomorrow, which is funny because it wasn't tomorrow, but when I'm filming this is tomorrow, you'll be seeing this. And I'm just, so when I got the little message, it's like, your thing is coming, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope I'm here before someone else picks up the mail. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I think I love this more. Whee! Oh my god. It's here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just like, oh my, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, like, oh my goodness, Shane. Oh, it's so beautiful. I gotta be gentle, but like, get out. Okay. Okay. I need to like calm down, but I just look at that. That is so, that is, oh my, look at that. It is beautiful. Oh my god, I don't want to use it. Oh my, I've never ever bought anything from Jeffree, like any other makeup products. I do have his red mirror that I got at Mall of America earlier this year, but I don't own anything by Jeffree. And oh my goodness, this is so much, like, this is everything. All right, so the first one I'm gonna swatch is called Flat Earth. Whoa, look at that. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what this is, but anyway, the next one is Cry on My Couch. Me, literally me. Whoa, that, oh man, they're also beautiful. Like, I don't want to ruin like the little designs. Okay, this one's called My Boyfriend's Purse. Whoa, I don't know how this works, but like, that's cool. Controversy. Oh my god, can you see that? Look at the purple. Oh my. Y'all have Diet Root Beer. That's cool. See, like, I don't know what's the point of this because you can't see it on me because I don't know how to do this, like, but like, whatever. This one is My Apology. Whoa. You know what, I'm just gonna swatch them all and then I will bring you in closer. You know, I just started getting into makeup like a year ago. It's like, I'm so excited to use this because like I could actually do something with it. I mean, look. Hello. I'm quaking. That's not the right word. I don't know. I'm shook. Yeah. This is just the mini. And I'm in love with it. Oh my. I'm so excited. This makes me more excited for the conspiracy palette, because like this is already freaking amazing, and I'm so excited. I'm so proud of him. I'm just I love it. Okay, next time I'll update you is when I get it, so see you in a couple weeks. Hi guys, it is currently December 12th. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon, and I just got the conspiracy palette. Finally, pre-order came today, and sorry for the washing machine going off. I literally have no time to film this, and I want to like film it before I use it, and so it happens to be when that's running, but that's not gonna stop me. I'm super excited, and I'm so happy it's here. Okay. Angle you down. Okay. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Like official and everything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ready? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. You guys are looking at it first. It's so, oh my god, it is, I don't even want to touch it. Oh, look at that. Oh my, okay, ready? It is beautiful. Look at it. It's stunning. Can't believe it's finally here. Oh my goodness. Okay, should I want to peel the mirror paper, but like I don't, because that's what keeps it nice and clean. Oh my god. Okay, it's time for swatches. Right, like I said in the first part of this, I'm not very good at swatching, so I think I'm just gonna like show you each color, and then I'll show you like what it looks like on my arm afterwards. So the first color I'm gonna do is Ranch. Ooh, okay, that's pretty. And then My Pills, Tanacon, Diet Root Beer, Just a Theory. It's just a theory. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, like look at that. You can't. What am I doing? You can't see anything. Anything. Spiraling, Conspiracy, Pigment. That one's pretty. I keep saying that. They're all really pretty. This one I'm really excited about playing with food videos. Oh, okay. Trisha. I'm not good at swatches, but Trisha, okay. Okay, that's everything. Cheese Dust. Oh my goodness, Taylor, can you not speak or something? Flaming Hot, which I'm not. I'm really bad at swatching. Moving on. What's the tea? I don't know. I like green tea. And Diet Cola. Silver will be perfect for doing like a Christmas look. Oh, out of fact. Sleep Paralysis. Illuminati. Oh my. And then My Rides Here is the last one. Okay. So like I said, I'm not very good at this, but these are all the colors. Ooh. Gee, congratulations, Shane. I am so happy. This is, I don't have a mini controversy on me right at the moment, but man, I'm so glad I finally own it. This is the first Jeffree palette that I own, and because I had to support my, okay Mills, you okay? I had to support Shane. Like, I've been watching him for years, and it's just so beautiful. So yeah. And so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what you want to see from me, okay? Like, I am willing to take any advice. And why does my makeup look good? That's what eyeliner does. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, share it with all your friends. Follow me. My socials are down below. Follow Mills as well. And I'll see you guys next week with another vlog. Okay, bye.